Okay, so some of you guys may be wondering why you haven't seen my car in a while. By that I don't mean my Jetta, I mean my good car. Is what this video is about. So without further ado, that's her. I gotta fix her. Okay, so yeah, basically this is more of an update video more than anything else. So what I'm doing is I'm getting my car ready for drag racing, right? So I'm adding a line lock. Now unfortunately I don't know how to add line lock. And I have a kit that's ready to go, but I need to understand my brake system more. So I unplugged my brake system to figure it out, and then I realized I didn't know how to bleed brakes. So I went out to get a braid bleeding kit, and I went to bleed the shoes in the back, and I just snapped off the bleeder valve. And then, after that, I had to pick up the part that I needed. And then, I had to wait for it to come in. And then, well, you get the idea from here. Honestly, it's been one problem after another. Then I go to switch today, and the hood got stuck. So hopefully I won't have to do that again today. I ended up having to lay on my back, pull the cable, and kind of cartwheel my foot into the bottom of the hood to unlatch it. So that was a lot of fun. So yeah, now I just want to drive my car, man. That's kind of just what happens with old cars though, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing. Right here, you can see we have the master, not the master cylinder, the, man, what's it called? The wheel cylinder, that's what it's called. Alright, so we have the wheel cylinder. Basically what this does is, I mean shoot, I don't even really know. I mean, I know it gets the fluid to where it needs to go. That's pretty much all I know about it. Now see, on the back of it, I'm not sure if you can see this. Come on. Right here, you can see, hang on, come on. This is where the brake bleed valve was. Now, it's not there anymore because I tried to turn it and it immediately just snapped off. So, what I have to do is I have to remove all the springs, the shoes, I gotta remove everything to get this solenoid off. So, great. Here is the solenoid so you guys can have a good look at it. Come on, get out. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. So, here's the solenoid. You see it looks exactly the same, except of course has the bleeder valve. Now, this shouldn't be too hard to attach. The main problem I'm worried about is the shoe brakes themselves, so that's what we're gonna do.
What if washing your gym socks could help families in
this little cramp on the part.
Finally. By the way, for any of you guys that never worked on a car before, first thing you're gonna learn is how to swear. Next thing you're gonna learn is that you're gonna hate engineers.
There, freeze up the adjuster, and I can check in right here.
So, everything's off. I have anxiety, but I also have YouTube videos. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna tackle that. By the way, when you do this job, you probably should put some brake cleaner on that stuff, because that dust's pretty poisonous. Fun fact, brake fluid is actually very corrosive. Other fun fact, it's getting all over the parts down here. So I'm going to have to rinse those off. So you guys can't see what I'm doing right here, but I'll show you when this thing is out, because honestly getting the camera all the way behind there sounds awful. Okay. Let's slide this out. At least, hopefully I can. There we go. So, Here are the two solenoids. This is the old one right here, and this one right here is the new one. Now, as you can see, this is the problem. Right here. Now, I washed this one off with water. You don't want to do that for a new part because last thing you want is water to mix with brake fluid. But, you know, since I'm just throwing this out after I'm done, then I might as well clean it off to show you guys. So this is the part that I snapped off. Right, thing's so old, just fell right off. Right, and this is what it's supposed to bleed like. That thing is called a nipple. I know, I laughed too. Yeah, so these are basically the same part. What I was doing back there to take them off was there were two bolts here, and the brake hose right here. I loosened up the brake hose using a 7/16. Now the good thing about this job is that once you're done, everything just goes, it's all the same steps, just backwards. So we're gonna do that now. I'm going to commit genocide to whoever designed this. Here's a fun game for you guys. Count how many times this video I'm about to have a mental breakdown. I'm sure all you real mechanics that know what I'm doing, well, not know what I'm doing, but know what I should be doing, probably screaming bloody murder at me to do it right. And I understand. I may be completely dying right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yep, that's the front one. Alright, so I hooked up the line, then it pushed the hydraulic rods out, so now I gotta undo the line. Because, of course, why not? Why wouldn't that make sense? I mean, everything else in this project's been peachy. Man, I'm gonna be up late editing this video, because it is 4 p.m. on Friday. My videos due at 2 in the morning tomorrow. Not 2 in the morning, 2 p.m. tomorrow. I get to take you completely apart again. That's just how life be. It's a lot of fun. No, you stay where you are. Thought this little thing's about to pop off and fly in my face. Just a friendly reminder, I am completely self-taught. And by self-taught, I mean I have knowledge that was almost completely made from watching Chris Vic's videos. I practically just scared the pants off a family because mid-project I heard an ice cream truck and I came running. I'm a Mexican dude in a white neighborhood running out of the woods towards a family waiting in front of an ice cream truck, and I had no idea what that looked like. Oh, whoo! Suck my balls. Whoo! That's the good stuff right there. One in and 4 to go. Okay. Okay, baby, be calling my Hercules cause the H in my waist, but this just have a Hermes. Okay, I done popped me a Birkin. Is that my back? Yeah. Okay. Oh, baby, don't hurt me. Okay.
Stop it.
Okay, bear with me on my lighting a little bit.
Oh my God, why do you cut out the part that I need? Why can't you just show the whole problem? Oh, I'm gonna kill myself. You know, it'd also be good if I actually had guidance, but no one in my family knows how to do this. Do we still have the punching bag here? I really want to hit something. All right, so it took forever, but everything is finally back on. So now all I gotta do is bleed the brakes and we'll go test this puppy out. Okay, so that job wasn't too bad. I kept my cool pretty much throughout the whole thing. Come on, what the fuck? Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, so the car is done. I got it this far. You know, not enough to really test the brakes, but let's test them out. Now, one of two things is gonna happen. Either it's gonna stop and this video is gonna be uploaded, or the video doesn't get uploaded because I crashed and I'm in the hospital. So let's hope it's the first one. I missed that motor. Yeah, no, she's working just fine. Oh man, I missed her so much. Oh my baby, I missed you so much. I have an exhaust leak I haven't fixed. Alright, so that about does it for the video. I have gunk all over my head. That does it for the video. Next week, expect another car build. Alright? You know, I would have put it up this week, but I really wanted to fix my car because I got a cruise night coming up. Another one from the different from the one from last week. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.